Hello everyone, I'm Priyanshi Mishra, a contributor at Indian Folk. I want you all to imagine yourself in a suffocating PPE suit for 12 hours without a break, surrounded by patients having the deadly coronavirus and feeling helpless at every life you could not save. Now, with all this in mind, I also want you to imagine being harassed and molested by the very people you serve. Yes, this is what our corona warriors have been going through. Throughout the pandemic, we have been hearing news of patients' family and sometimes even political leaders abusing the doctors on duty. Already defeating and fighting against the COVID, these doctors now have to fight against this too. The recent case of Assam, where a senior doctor was brutally attacked and mobbed by a patient's family, is an eye-opener not only for the government and the authorities who need to ensure safe environment for these workers, but is also an eye-opener for the citizens. The citizens need to understand the conditions in which these workers have been working. There's a general misconception in our society that doctors are just behind the patient for their money. Well, of course, there are some doctors who use the condition of their patients to fill their pockets. But don't you think that this exists in every profession? Which profession is untouched by corruption? Which profession has all hardworking and dedicated workers? None, right? But if all the doctors of India were just behind the money, don't you think they would have preferred to stay at their home and save their lives? Because no amount of money can match a person's life, right? But these workers have been risking their life every day to serve the society. And what they got in return is violence. But why has there an increase in the number of cases against doctors? Why is there that we have reached a situation where we need to appeal to people to save our saviors? How can we ensure their safety? To know answer to these questions, you can visit www.indianfolk.com and check out my article. Thank you.